Another day, another gala na naman tayo. Nag-uwi na ba kayo sa Tagaytay at napansin nyo na ba itong restaurant na ito? This is breakfast at Antonio's. We decided to have our breakfast here, pero this restaurant not only serves breakfast it also serves other all-day meals starting at 10 in the morning. At sakto naman kasi around 10 na din kami nakadating dito. This is a popular brunch spot here because of its garden ambience, premium comfort food, and consistent na high service standards. Part din kasi ito ng Antonio's Restaurant Group, founded by a renowned Filipino chef na si Tony Boy Escalante, who also operated the Antonio's na medyo malapit din dito sa lugar na ito. Actually, it is our second time here at bukod sa food, isa sa mga nagustuhan namin dito is yung service and the place itself. We started ordering na. There are a lot of choices when it comes to their food. We tried coffee pancakes with Kahlua butter. Bistek Tagalog nga sana ang gusto ni Mrs. pero hindi pala available, so she decided to have truffle pasta. And for me, some grilled beef ribs and a hot chocolate. Ayos ang combination, no? Bukod sa menu nila, meron din sila ditong ibang delicacies from ice creams, cheesecakes, preserved meats, different kinds of pies, pastries, and a lot more. Siguradong mapapabili ka dito. Why not? Their products are in premium quality talaga. After like 15 minutes, eto na, dumating na ang orders namin. Masarap yung fries and dip nila. And yung hot choco, sobrang rich, masarap. Sabi nga ni Mrs., may taste na parang buto ng langka pag pinakuluan. Di ko alam. Anyway, masarap talaga siya. After namin kumain, sabi nga sa inyo talaga mapapabili kayo sa mga products nila. We decided to try out their famous chocolate. 250 pesos nga for 50 grams. So we tried the Rocher, white chocolate, dark hazelnut, and caramel almond. What a breakfast here in Antonio's. Hanggang sa susunod na gala natin. Ingat!